Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to subscribe for a shop page on this website. This is a new e-commerce website where you can buy things online, you can sell online, you can even earn money on this website. So I'm going to look at the name of the website up here. As you can see up right here, the name of this website is Shoband. So if you want to open a shop page on this website, you click on sell right here, then you click on it. It's going to take you to a new page. Okay, it's open now. As you can see, Shoband Seller Center. I want to become a seller, so you are going to click on start now right here. Click on start now. The next thing you will do is to sign up. Sign up here. I'm going to click on it, sign up. Then these are the plans. Start your selling success. So as you can see, this first place, you can see free seller plan, but I think this is not advisable because you're only going to put 8 products on this if you subscribe for this plan, so it's not good for your business. I would advise you to choose this other plan here. This one that will go for $35 plan. You can go for this one. This one is around $35 for 6 months. This one you can have 200 products. You can put 200 products in your store page. Then the space limit here is 250 MB. Then you can subscribe here also. Then for this plan, it's $65 for 1 year. So you're allowed to put 450 products, and the limit space here is 500 MB. Let's move to the next stage. You can subscribe here. And this is the premium plan. As you can see, just for 2 years right here. 2 years. Look, as you can see, the limit space here is 1 gig. Then you can put 1000 products. Wow, I prefer this. So I'm going to go for this one, this premium plan. So I'm going to click on subscribe now down here. Then it will take me to a page where I'm going to register for a shop page. Okay, page is open. So yeah, the first one is username. So you write your username here, then your email, I'm going to write it here, then the code that was sent to your email, I'm going to write it here. Then after that, if you don't receive the code, you can click on resend code. Then fill your name, your first name and last name. Then this one, your store name. Your store name means your shop name, the name they're going to give to your shop. If you are selling wig, phone, any product, you can just write the name of your shop here. Then your address, As you can see, there are two addresses here. You might put one address or two. Then this your country. As you can see, so there's Nigeria here already. Then this one is your city or town. If you're in Lagos, you can write Lagos here. I write Lagos here. If you're in Abuja, write Abuja, any state you are. Then this, it says state or country, or you can write your state, like the state you are, might be in Lagos, Abia, any states. So I can see a drop down over here. I'll click on it to know if there's options. Okay, so there are options here. You can see Abia, Abuja. So you can click on any options you are in. Then you put your postcode number, and this your store number, which is your phone number. The phone number you want people to always be calling you. I must put a reachable number that people can reach you with. So then this your referral code. So I'm going to drop a link on the description box for you to get your referral code. So when I drop the link, you're going to click on the link. You can use my referral code on the description box so that you can get 20% discount whenever you want to buy a product on Shoband. This one here are not really important. If you want to put, you can put it as if you have. But for me, I don't need this. Then this. Okay. What do you want to sell on Shoband? Is it phone accessories, any business name? You can just write it down here. Might be phone accessories. Then your niche or nature of business, still the same thing, the same name. You can write it down here. Then your password. Any password of your choice, you can write it down and confirm password again. Then you need to click on this to agree terms and conditions. After that, then you can click on register right here. Okay guys, as you can see, I fill in my phone. Okay, you see this SSN ID or passport upload right here. It's very important. So this red star over here, I find out this one is very important. So you need to upload your pictures, your photos, your passport, anyone. I've already upload mine, so I'll fill in the form over here, put in everything. Then I'm going to click on register right here. See, my details are here, and you need to click on this direct bank transfer. Then over here, click on this and this. Then set up market code. I have read and agreed to the website, terms and conditions. Then click on place order. Okay guys, as you can see, it has taken to a new page. So this is the plan we went for. You're going to scroll up. Okay, then click on bank transfer over here. Click on this button here, like this. As you can see, the details is out. See the bank, the account number, and the account name. All show ventures and service. Then the bank name. You're going to pay through this account. Then after that, you click on proceed here. Okay, now I've successfully registered for this. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you find this video helpful. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your store, how to add descriptions, tags, etc. So for those that are looking for a place to sell their product or to market their product or to sell online, Shoband is here for you. So goodbye and bye for now. Thank you.